In this video, I'm going to show you how to register HexClad for warranty. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website, and then from here, you want to scroll to the very bottom, and then at the bottom over here on the left, you'll see it says warranty here in the middle. So just click on warranty, and whenever you do that, it's going to take you to this page here. You can read all about the warranty, and whenever you're ready to actually activate their lifetime warranty here, you can click on submit this form, so this red text over here, and it's going to take you into a form where you can go ahead and submit your information. So it's going to require personal info such as first name, last name, phone number, email, and then your street address. Of course, you have to provide the city and then the state or province as well as your zip code and country. And then here about the purchase info, you have to put in if this is a gift. So of course, you could go ahead and select if it is or not. You have to type in the purchase location, so where you bought it, and then the product purchase. So you have to select the product you actually, of course, received or the one you bought. And then here the serial number. Now, as it says here, the serial number can be found directly on the cookware, or for these located in the EU, so the European Union, your serial number can be found directly on the product box. So, of course, just find your serial number. If you're not sure where to find it, you can Google that for your specific product. You'll be able to find it that way very easily. And then if you have any additional products, you can type them in over here, type in the purchase date as well, check that you're not a robot, and then just submit over here. And that way you've successfully registered your HexClad for warranty. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.